What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandon, and it's been a while. This is Motor Nubs. Welcome back. I haven't been making any content. I really haven't been making any like Honda or car content in a while, and I guess maybe I'm sorry. I apologize. I don't know. Life caught up with me, and I got busy. But my brother kind of like is lighting a fire up underneath my tail because he came and picked me up, and we're going to go pick up a turbo Civic, and he's just like, yo, I'm getting a turbo Civic, you got to fix your shit, and we got to get back to going. Oh, all right, yeah, bleep that out, yeah. I guess this is the start of Motor Nubs 2021, and yeah. Oh, by the way, yeah, I'm doing a detached garage, so I'm going to be working on my cars and stuff. This is Peyton, by the way. Yeah, long-time watchers will know. Peyton's also going to be doing his own channel, so it's like the in-depth stuff. So I'm going to put his link down below, but we're in his loud-ass truck right now, and I'm going to wait till we get there and see what this thing's about. By the way, what year is it?
It's a 93 Honda Civic, D16 Z6, built motor. The guy claims it's got pistons and rods, etc., head studs. You know, he says it's got a small problem. He says the intake gasket is leaking. He says it runs and drives, no rod knock, no overheating. So you know what? We're gonna give it a shot. It's about an hour and 40 minutes away, so we're gonna head out there and hopefully make a deal and come home with a car. But we're gonna do it. It's eBay Turbo Kit, of course. eBay Turbo Kit.
eBay Turbo Kit. So,
eBay Turbo Kit.
All right, we'll be back in a minute. We finally made it. It's like the longest 2 hours of my life.
I know.
I got a headache. I have to take a dump.
Do you really have a headache?
Yeah, dude, this thing's loud.
It is not that loud. You're over exaggerating.
I got spoiled by riding in my truck.
I don't see a Civic.
You see it?
We drive 2 hours and it's not here.
Oh, it's over there. It's over there. What's it?
Look at that. I like how those are mounted.
Oh, there's gauges down there?
Yeah, you see that?
What is that? Boost and...
boost and oil pressure.
And oil pressure?
Yeah, perfect.
Has it got oil pressure? No, it's...
Oh, cold starts, it's like 85 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good stuff. Was that the clutch jerking or the car jerking? Like that's like
it needs a drop. You know, when you get them tuned, they do a dropability on it.
Yeah.
It definitely needs a retune. 100% it does. I mean, I don't know what he's talking about though.
So can you get into a little bit of boost? Or?
Yeah, let's see.
I mean, it sounded like it was doing fine.
He said take a ride at the U-Haul.
Yeah.
Let's go down here. He said this is where he usually takes it. So let me go bust it down here a little bit.
This thing's fine. This thing pulls pretty good.
Yeah, we're turning around. I'm going to buy it.
This is on wastegate too.
What's he talking about? There's nothing wrong with this.
It doesn't. They need to. It's a big pothole right there. Oh, okay, yeah. Drivability is.
Yeah, it definitely needs like a.
What part throttle tune or whatever?
Yeah, because it is like. I mean, yeah, it's like bucking, but I mean, he said it like spits and sputters. I don't know what he's getting at.
I don't know. I think it runs good.
Shit.
After that pull, it was a clean pull too.
I don't know if I'm gonna pull out there. Look at that.
That's a big ass.
Dude.
We're in the middle of, I don't know. Anyway, guys, just a little background. The guy said that it had like an intake manifold gasket leak, and the car was spitting and sputtering. It ain't happy when you're first taking off.
No, it's really rough. You gotta ride the clutch,
but in boost,
boost, it had no problem.
Yeah, I'll watch the wideband this time if you want to get into it just a little bit. Yeah, it's heating back up because you turned it off, the heater or whatever. Just careful. That's a big pile right here too. Damn. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna watch the. He said it did. It was leaking oil on the back side of the motor where the PCV.
PCV.
Well, I think the D series had like a box that sits on the back side of the motor. I think B series had that too. And you take that off and you run a line off of it.
We didn't need to bring the trailer.
Yo, it's hot though.
Oh, it is hot. I'm not downplaying. It's definitely
Does
hot.
blower motor work?
Yeah.
Yeah, blower motor works.
It's definitely hot, but like...
The car does run.
It does run.
What's up?
I get it up as a cop.
And all that stumbling and stuff that it was doing, that was before the fan kicked on, so it was still heating up and stuff.
Oh, is that what that was?
Now that it's heated up, the idle's smooth too.
It's not overheating either.
Huh?
I mean, I think it's oh, what is that? Oh, it's a voltage meter. Alternator works.
Alternator works. How you feel?
I feel pretty good. I mean, it's a done deal in my opinion.
Roger that.
It's a done deal.
All right. So post buying, do you have buyer's regret?
No, not at all.
No.
None.
You know, if you have buyer's regret, I'll buy it from you, so you don't have it anymore.
None. I got none. I'm in a better mood now that I've gotten here and test driven it than I was on the way, because there's nothing wrong with the car. It just needs TLC.
Knock on wood grain.
Yeah, knock on wood grain. But yeah, I mean, it didn't overheat. It didn't knock. It didn't really.
On the way back, did you get into it a little bit?
Yeah, it was healthy. 12 pounds of boost. You know, not 17 pounds, but it's...
Were those gauges down the bottom glow shifts?
Yeah,
they were.
glow shifts.
Yeah, I recognize those.
Yeah. The biggest thing I noticed was, I think when he talks about the stalling, I think it's just the jumpiness of the clutch, because it is a very aggressive clutch. I will say, I don't. It's a competition clutch, is what he said, but it is a very aggressive clutch. So I think maybe that's what he means by stalling. I don't know. I didn't see any. They didn't stall out on me or, you know, blip the throttle. It did do that whole weird thing in the beginning where it like rev up, rev down. I don't know what that was.
Until it heated up, yeah. We'll figure that out.
I mean, small stuff, but yeah, I'm stoked. I'm ready to get it home.
All right.
Let's head out.